Hi friends, welcome to our Data Analytics Tips YouTube channel. So today we will see about what is Power BI and Power BI Desktop Canvas. So Microsoft Power BI is an interactive data visualization software product which is developed by Microsoft, and their primary focus is on business intelligence. And Power BI Desktop is a collection of software services, app connectors that work together turn into the various sources of data into the static and interactive data visualization. Data may be input, reading directly from the databases, web pages, or PDF, or we can say the structure files also are there like spreadsheets, CSV, XML, and JSON. So here is the option of get data. We can take the data from different sources like Excel, Power BI data sheets, data flows, SQL Server, text, web, or you can click here like more options. There are total 99 plus data sources are there. We can take the data from different sources into the Power BI. So these are the data sources are there. Next thing we will see about canvas of the Power BI desktop. In the Power BI desktop canvas, there are three views are available: report view, table view, and the model view. In the report view, we can see in the right side panel, visualization panel, there are multiple charts are available. There are total 25 plus charts are available in Power BI desktop. We can choose any one chart to create our visual in this canvas. Next thing is available, the formatting options are available. There are different formatting options are available in this canvas. Next view is table view. Here we can see our data in tabular format. Here I have taken the data from one Excel file, so there are three tables: orders, returns, and user. We can see our data in row by row or column wise in this table view. We can filter our data, like if we want to see any value we can just OK and filter our data to see here, or we can filter the product category. Suppose like I want to filter furniture to see the furniture data. So this is the like just to see our data in tabular format. And next one is the model view. Here we can build our relationship, like to get our result is correct, so that's why we need to build the relationship in Power BI desktop. To get some values are correct, so we need to build like the relationship one to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. So in this table, this is a order table and this is a return table. So I want to suppose build the relationship using primary keys. Just I need to drag this order key to order ID. Here you can see the relationship is many to one, like from fact to dimension it's many to one. Many to one means this is a star. You can say it's many, and one means one, means many to one, and the flow of direction is from dimension to fact. Here you can see the arrow. So this is a model view. Here we can build the relationship. We can build the relationship and see our data models here, like